Hi everyone, this is Business Hunters. Today I want to teach you something about mini importation. As you can see, the most difficult part of mini importation now is the shipping cost from China to Nigeria or Turkey or wherever you're shipping from. So I want to teach you how you can bypass shipping fee, that you don't pay shipping fee to any shipping agent at all. You're not going to pay any shipping fee from China to Nigeria. That's what I want to teach you here. If you are paying too much for shipping fee, you are going to stop it after watching this video. If you watch this video from now to the end, you're going to get all the details I'm going to share in this video. Let me tell you now, the lowest you can get per kg from China to Nigeria is $10. Some people are charging $9 and they charge you 500 naira for clearing. So that's amount to $10 automatically. So let me do a little calculation to show you how much you pay for when you're ordering items that is up to like 3 kg. The last time I checked, the lowest shipping agent is charging 585 naira per dollar, and 1 kg is $10. So if you times this amount now, $10 times 3, that is, I'm calculating based on 3 kg. If you times $10 times 3, that's $30. So at the rate of 585 naira, that's $30. So if you times it by 30, this is the amount that you use for shipping 3 kg of items to Nigeria. Let's say you want to divide this figure by 3. You're going to be paying 5,850 naira per 1 kg for per kg. So if you bring in this kind of items, how are you going to sell it? It becomes so difficult for you to make sales. So in my conclusion, mini importation is as good as dead right now. If you look at the categories of importers, we have the major importers who are importing in 20 feet containers from China to Nigeria. These are big importers. They use ocean shipping. So if they bring in their items from China, and you who is paying 5,850 naira through air shipping to Nigeria, there is no way you can compete with those kind of people. These are number one category. The second category are the middle class importers. These are middle class people that come together to form a league. What they do, they have an agent in China. They ask their suppliers to submit their goods to that particular agent. That agent will collect all their items to the point that it amounts to 20 feet container, and they ship all of them to them in Nigeria. It is a league. So these are middle class. The lowest class of importers are the mini importers, the small ones that are importing in small quantities. Maybe they spend like 200,000, 500,000 to buy items from China to Nigeria, and they use air freight. If you want to compare air freight to ocean shipping is about maybe you spend like maybe $3 or less per kg. But here you are spending $10 per kg. So how are you going to compete with those that are paying $3 using ocean shipping? That is where you get stuck as a mini importer right now. A lot of people are packed up because they do not know how to rally around it. But what I'm teaching, like I said earlier from the beginning of this video, I want to show you how you can easily bypass shipping costs, that you don't pay any shipping cost to anybody again. That's what I want to show you in this video. I want to start by saying that the number one thing that you need to do when you want to go around this heavy import in a shipping fee, the number one thing you have to look out for is make sure the product that you want to get is a quality product. Okay, now if you have a particular product that you know that you can sell, you can beat your chest and say, this product, I can market it, I can sell it. That is the number one thing that you need to do. Secondly, You now need to think on how to get this product in such a way that the price will not be too much for you, so that you can still sell and make enough profit for yourself. That is the second thing I want to talk about. How do you get this product? Okay, now look at somebody who is shipping in 20 feet container. All those your little product that you're buying in pieces, maybe 200 pieces, 300 pieces, and bringing through air freight. There are some people who are importing it in 20 feet, 40 feet containers and bring it to your country, be it Nigeria, be it Ghana, or wherever you are. So what you need to do, quickly look out in your neighborhood for that big importer. When you find that big importer that is importing in large quantities, if you go to him and you know him and is ready to deal with you, like the other day I got somebody in Ghana who is importing my product in container, but because me I have a way of getting my things all the way down, he contacted me when he saw the way my advertisement was receiving attention online. The guy called me from what is it called, Cameroon rather. He called me from Cameroon to say, hey bro, I have so and so product. I want you to form a league with me and let me be your supplier here. But I was not actually interested, so I turned him down. So if you're able to find that kind of major dealer, somebody who is bringing in a container through ocean, you now need to contact that person. It might be a difficult work locating those kind of people, but if you seek diligently, you will find one that is dealing in your product. Go to them, negotiate price with them. When you get their price, come back to your online and calculate how much you will buy that product from China and how much you are going to pay for shipping fee and ship it to Nigeria. I have done that calculation. That's what I'm telling you. If you calculate it, you discover that the gap is wide. If care is not taken, your landing cost from China is going to double what the major dealer is going to sell to you in your country. When you get it from that major dealer at a cheaper rate, another thing that you need to look for is make sure that that major dealer is not doing mass production, because a lot of them go to China and they give China specification to reduce the quality of that product. Make sure that product that that person is bringing in is not substandard. You have to know your product very well before you lay your heart to sell it. When you do your research and know that yes, this importer is still keeping the standard of his product, you are at the right path. You are going to form a very solid partnership with that particular importer. Then you are not going to be importing from China for now. Maybe later in the future when things get better, you can now think of going back to China, but you can now rely on that major importer as somebody who is bearing the cost of shipping and everything. You are just buying the product for free. You are not paying for shipping costs anymore. So when you get the product and you know that the product is quality, and you now throw all your mind on it, you run your advertisement as much as you want. It will be so comfortable for you, as if you are still importing from China, but the workload of paying too much on shipping fee has been lifted off your shoulder. So you are going to enjoy your business. You can even at any time you can walk into the office of that person and take your product. Sometimes when you don't have money, you can even tell the person to give you on credit. You sell and you pay back. You will enjoy mini importation. You will enjoy what is it called, e-commerce, as never before. That is a common tricks that I have for you to bypass shipping costs from China. That is all I have for you in this video. If you are watching my video for the first time, if you find any value in what I am sharing here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Click on the red button below. I want you to do me this favor. Like this video, comment on this video, and share it with your friends who are into mini importation so that they can have this information firsthand. It's going to help them a great deal. That is the favor I want you to do for me. A lot of you, you watch videos and you like it. Some of you even chat me up on my WhatsApp and all of that. You look for my help. I should teach you importation and all of that. You contact, but some of you, you don't even subscribe. You are not active on my channel. You don't comment. The reason why I'm clamoring, I'm seeking for your favor to comment on my videos and also like it is because you are also doing me a favor. I will not lie to you. When you click on my videos and you are making all these comments and all of that, what you are doing specifically is that you are helping my video to rank so that other people can see it. YouTube algorithm will discover that, okay, this video is active. They will now be pushing it up on the first page of YouTube, and I will be ranking. That is why I'm seeking your favor. As you contact me to help you also be part of, let us be part of our YouTube community. That is what I want you to do for me. Thank you for watching this video to this point. I really appreciate you. If you look at my video now, we have passed the mark of, we have more than 1,000 subscribers on this video. You guys are wonderful. I really appreciate you for standing by me all this while, for your contribution and all of that. When I see the growth of this channel, I never expected it, but I just wanted to put a video out there just to teach people, just to help people. But along the line, the channel is growing geometrically, and I am happy, and I'm also grateful to you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.